Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the one that is called mask RCNN with image segmentation demo. In the previous session, I explained about the basics of RCNN. Whenever doubt, you can check the video list. So this is a very simple one tutorial. Whoever want to learn better way about the deep learning one. And here we have to see the hands-on demo about mask RCNN with image segmentation. That means how we can implement and achieve image segmentation with the help of mask RCNN here. So as of you know, mask RCNN one of the successful model, deep learning model, come under the criteria of RCNN only. Moreover, here with the help of this mask RCNN, we can get the predictions accurately. That is possible. Part of the image with the help of boxes only, and we can achieve instant segmentation here. So as of you know, there will be a lot of challenges and difficulties when you look over the top area of computer vision here. It may like image segmentation, it may like some other objects identification also. Here, generally, image segmentation is the one helpful to find and detect the find the objects, and also helpful to vary show the difference between the multiple objects within a single image. The image may consist of 20 objects or 25 and so on, whatever there. So especially when you go for the mark RCNN, you can perform instant segmentation here because it always helpful to identify the various instances of the same type of object in the same input image only. It may be a car, it may be a helicopter or anything here. So for this, if you want to execute this one, you can use the Google Colab and change the runtime as a GPU. Then you can download the source code with the help of hash exclamation symbol git clone. After that, you can run the coding. Then you have to import the necessary library like TensorFlow and is set the path and load the Cocoa index mapping. So this also used in the Google Colab because one of the successful data set having many information. So in the ID mapping, we are going to assign. We are going to give the information like person, bicycle, car, truck, boat. Because like that, we are giving more than 50 elements. Because once the element in the image, it will identified with the help of this ID mapping only. Then you can load the image. So if you want to load the image, we can use the sample image where you can download for the exclamatory wget from the particular link. Then we can do image path test.jpg, that is JPG. We can test the only one image from the data set here. So already git code we are downloaded. So for this one, once you give the one, it will display the image like this. So this is the one where showing the objects, everything, the people, just showing the image. That is the image with the car and so on. Then later you can go for apply the instant segmentation, and we have to create the TensorFlow session. So if you want to create the TensorFlow session, you can use the code called use underscore TP is equal to true and so on. Then import asset, then Colab setting. After that, you can run the coding. Then we can easily pre-trained model. If you have pre-trained model, you can load it. Help a Coco model. So we can give the code saved model directors code and so on. Then we can perform the or we can instead to perform the instant segmentation and retrieve the prediction results here. For this one, we can write the code called num deduction deduction underscore boxes deduction underscore classes and write up to the num deduction 0 placeholder. Then continue the coding where we are writing the NP, that is everything segmentations. After that, you can go for the final step, that means visualize the deduction results. Very important. So if you want to visualize the image results with the help of instant segmentation, that is using the mask RCNN, you can enter the code called max box equal draw 50 and minimum score threshold 0.1 followed by the image with deduction and deduction boxes, and you can write the output image path, that is test underscore result.jpg. So at last we can display the image. So if your coding is correct, that is if you import the packages and start the GPU everything session, will get the final result. That's very good. That is you can see the prediction here, instant segmentation, where it will start to mark in the coloring. So people should be in coloring, green color, and some of the objects in the red color background, and so on and so on. So what are the different objects showing the red color, and all the people are in the green color. So like that we can achieve instant image segmentation. That is, sorry, instant segmentation. That is under the mask RCN topic. That means we can achieve image segmentation very easily with the help of mask RCN here. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.